Hi folks, welcome to Testing Hacks. Today we will see what is iterative model and what are the advantages of iterative model and what are the disadvantages of iterative model. So, when it comes to the definition, it is a particular implementation of software development cycle that focuses on initial simplified implementation, which then progressively gains more complexity and broader feature set until the final system is complete. In short, iterative development is a way of breaking down the software development of a large application into smaller pieces. So, as the name suggests, iterative, wherein iteration happens. I mean to say, the flow will be the same. The requirement will be collected, analysis will be done, and then design is done, coding is done, and after all of the testing and all, we have a software product increment 1 is ready, wherein it is a first iteration. First iteration is ready. So, after that, what happens? And it flows to the next iteration. Suppose say the plan is like first module should be created in the iteration number 1. So that for that module all the requirement will be collected, analysis, design, everything will be done in the first iteration. And after all of that, to prepare the next module, again it will go to the next iteration where again the requirements will be collected, and the flow goes like this. And until the final product we get this iteration model, iterative model, the iteration continues. Okay. And coming to the advantages of this iterative model, in iterative model we can only create a high level design of application before we actually begin to build the product and define the design solution for entire product. Okay. Later on, we can design and build skeleton version of that and then evolve the design based on what had been built. So, as this advantage says that the a skeleton will be designed. So, wherein very first the skeleton will be designed. I mean the look of the how it looks like and all this will be designed first, and then that will be evolved to next phases. Okay. In this model, we can get the reliable user feedback with the blueprints. As we have already mentioned that this skeleton will be prepared first, right? So with that skeleton, the customer will provide the feedback. Any improvements is required on based on that feedback will be collected, and then the changes can be done, right? Because it is initial stage, only a skeleton will be prepared. Testing and debugging during smaller iteration is easy. Okay. So since it is a smaller iteration, so it is easy. A parallel development can plan. So during this phases, a parallelly development can also be planned because the skeleton is getting ready here, and the parallelly the development can also happen, you know, in that way. It is easily acceptable to ever changing needs of the project. So since I have already mentioned that based on the feedbacks we can also change the requirements, right? So since the product is not ready yet, it is just a small division, right? So it is easy to handle the requirement changes. Also, risks are identified and resolved during the iteration. Okay. Limited time spent on documentation and extra time on designing. Okay, so these are the advantages of iterative model. When it comes to disadvantages, it is not suitable for smaller project. If the project is smaller, then I think this is not a best suitable model. More resources may be required since with the iteration it requires a lot of people involved, right? So that is where resources may be required more. Okay. So design can be changed again and again because of imperfect requirements. Say in case the requirement is not clear and they start designing the blueprint, and if they again and again if they start, the requirement getting changed, that will be again a rework, right? So that is where it is a disadvantage. Requirement changes can cause the over budget. So that is a loss for the customer itself. So requirement changes again and again, that will cause a over budget. So these are the disadvantages of iterative model. If you have any questions, please do comment in the comment box. Please do like my video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.